Why did Jacob run away and wrestle with God?
This part of Genesis is full of mystery. Jacob cheats his brother, escapes to survive, works for years under Laban, builds a huge family, and then faces the moment he fears most. In one night, he wrestles with God, and everything changes. This is the story of how someone with a messy past becomes someone with a brand new name and identity.
So, what does that actually mean?
These chapters teach that God does not wait for perfect people. Jacob began as a trickster, but God guided him step by step into honesty, courage, and purpose. Sometimes the hardest moments are not punishments but invitations to grow. God shapes us even when we are running, confused, or scared.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, and Jacob is a perfect example. When he worked for Laban for years, his brain strengthened circuits for patience and long-term focus in the prefrontal cortex. When he wrestled with God, his fear circuits in the amygdala were challenged and rewired. Spiritual struggle and emotional struggle often activate the same brain pathways, which is why one brave decision can start a whole identity shift.
How does this show up in real life?
Kids and teens experience this every time they face something uncomfortable. Maybe you move schools, feel misunderstood in friendships, or deal with family conflict. Maybe you feel like you have to escape a difficult situation just like Jacob did. Big emotions, big changes, and big questions about who you are totally normal. Through all of it, God can use your choices to grow strength and wisdom.
So, small equals big?
Exactly. One honest conversation, one brave decision, or one step toward doing the right thing works like planting a seed. Tiny choices grow into patterns, then into character, and finally into a whole new identity, just like Jacob became Israel. God does not rush growth, but he never wastes it.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Thinking. Notice one place where you feel confused or pulled in two directions. Step 2. Feeling. Ask God to help you stay calm and honest with yourself about what scares you. Step 3. Action. Take one tiny step of courage like apologizing, planning better, or asking someone trustworthy for help. This is how identity slowly reshapes from the inside out.
What should we do today?
Today's challenge is simple. Choose one part of your life where you have been avoiding something and take the smallest brave step. Write it, say it, or do it. Then comment the word brave. And follow along if you want more Bible plus brain adventures that help you grow. Jacob's story shows that identity is not fixed. It grows when we face what scares us with God beside us. You are allowed to change, to learn, and to become someone stronger than before. God works through honest struggle, not perfection. Keep growing with courage and faith.
See you in the next episode.